Hi, this is Voss here from the Chris Hey, coming with another product from hynix.com. Reviewed their SSDs in the past. In fact, we use them regularly, so they do a great job with the products they build. This is their new Gold P31 PCIe NVMe Gen 3 M.2 2280 internal SSD. This is, they claim, to be the world's first 128-layer NAND flash-based consumer SSD featuring the in-house technology of a global tech pioneer. This is supposed to give you fastest-in-class read speeds of up to 3,500 MBS and write speeds of up to 3,200 MBS based on PCIe Gen 3 SSD, of course. Superior reliability and stability. It's tested and validated through 1,000 hours of high-temperature operating life tests. And in the meantime, between failures reaching 1.5 million hours and up to 750 TBW, terabytes written. So they put these through an incredible stress test. Proven leader, trusted products they are, powered by the world's second largest memory manufacturer, a tech leader since 1983, and it comes with a 5-year warranty. So hubba. How about that stuff there? And I got to tell you, we tested it out, got great speeds off it. Just rages. It's just super fast and does a great job for us. Like I said, we tried their other products in the past and they've worked well for us, still working well for us, I should say. So we can highly recommend them. You can click on the link on the Chris Voss Show to go to the Amazon page and search for it on Amazon and buy it up there. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.